To start your free trial, open your internet browser and go to tomplay.com. Select the 14-day free trial option. If you already have a Tomplay account, click Login and enter your details. If not, create your account by signing up with Facebook, Google, Apple, or by entering your email and a password of at least 8 characters. Next, choose your main instrument and level. You can update these anytime in your account settings. Accept the terms of service and privacy policy, then click Create an account. Now select your payment method and start your free trial. Congratulations! You now have full access to the entire Tomplay catalog, all scores, all instruments, and all difficulty levels. Start exploring and playing right away. If you prefer to subscribe through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, you'll need an iPhone, iPad, or Android device linked to an Apple or Google account with a valid payment method. In these cases, subscriptions can only be managed directly from your Apple or Google account settings. For the best experience across all your devices, download the Tomplay app on your smartphone, tablet, PC, or Mac, and log in with the same email and password. You can use your Tomplay account on up to 3 devices at the same time and enjoy your free trial everywhere. Please note, you won't be charged to start or use your free trial. If you started it from our website, you can manage or cancel it at any time from your Tomplay account. To avoid being automatically enrolled in a yearly subscription at the end of the trial, make sure to cancel at least 24 hours before it ends.